Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In today's episode, we will learn how to draw Robocop, the iconic cybernetic law enforcer from the classic sci-fi franchise. Let's begin with Robocop's iconic visor. At the top of your page, draw two horizontal parallel lines to set the foundation. These lines will form the top and bottom edges of the visor. Right below the visor, let's draw another line. This should be longer than the visor, as it will form the base of the helmet. From this line, draw a box that will have the visor inside. At the top of it, draw another line. Let's add the ear curves on each side of the helmet. And on top of the box, draw a dome to finish off the helmet. At the bottom of the helmet, leave a small space each side and draw two straight lines down, and then join the lower end with a semicircle. Inside the face, let's do two more lines, only this lines will slightly curve towards inside. Connect the lower ends with a curved line bowing upwards this time. Right below the head, let's draw the armor. Did you know Robocop is part human and part machine? He was a police officer named Alex Murphy who became a super strong robot hero after a big accident. His shiny armor isn't just for looks, it's bulletproof and protects him from bad guys. Plus, it's super high-tech and makes him look awesome. Robocop's visor is like a robot's eyes. It helps him see everything super clearly, even in the dark, and zoom in on faraway objects. Even though Robocop is part robot, he still has memories of his life as Alex Murphy, which helps him stay connected to his human side. The creators of Robocop wanted to mix superhero vibes with science fiction. They were inspired by classic characters like the Terminator and even Judge Dredd. In the story, turning Alex Murphy into Robocop is a huge scientific operation, showing how futuristic tech could turn a person into a superhero. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.